Here is my Raspberry Pi. It is connected to several components, including a LCD display, a camera module, an ultrasonic sensor, a servo, a buzzer, 2 LED lights, and one small button. This is my main project code, and here at first I just import some libraries I'm going to use later, and this is LCD setup, and then here is the ultrasonic sensor setup, buzzer setup, here I define send email function, which will send an email to an email address, and I'm going to call this function later. Here is the main code. This project is called Smart Receptionist with Smartlock system. Imagine when you are not home, a visitor comes to your door, and he is going to ring the doorbell. So here I set the button's output to low, and when the visitor presses a button which acts like a doorbell, the output becomes true and it breaks the loop. Then it will print button pressed and play the doorbell tune. Then the camera is set up, and the LCD display will tell the visitor please face the camera. Camera starts preview, and here is a loop. What this loop does is when the distance between the visitor's face and the camera is bigger than 20 meters and smaller than 50 meters, the camera will capture a picture of the visitor. Otherwise, it will tell the visitor, please keep 30 centimeters away from the camera. And when a picture is captured, camera stops preview. It jumps out of the loop and camera stops preview, and we call the send email function. Here is the send email function. We import some libraries for sending email and sending images with email. So the subject is Smart Receptionist with Smartlock system. It is going to be, the email is going to be sent to you, and it is going to tell you you have a visitor at your door right now. And it is going to give you the link to the web page, which you can control the Raspberry Pi from that web page. It is also going to send the image of the visitor. So you can decide whether you want to open the door for the visitor or not. After it sends an email, prints an email, and LCD is going to tell the visitor image is taken, sending image to server. And then we set up the servo. Here is a code for the Flask app, which can serve web page. So this is the HTML file for the web page. And this link to the unlock button when you click the unlock button, the servo is going to turn. Servo acts like the door lock, and the LCD will welcome the visitor, and it will also play welcome tune. And here it sets up the green LED lights, and the green LED lights will blink to welcome the visitor, and the web page returns successfully unlocked to you. And this is a turn off servo path. When you click the keep locked button, LCD will tell the visitor access denied and play access denied tune. The red LED light is set up, and the red light will blink. The web page will return successfully keep locked to you. And here it launched the Flask dev server. Host is 0.0.0 to make it global. So now let's run it. So when the visitor presses a button, the buzzer will ring doorbell tune. And the LCD tells the visitor, please face the camera. And when the visitor's face is very close to the ultrasonic sensor, the LCD tells the visitor, please keep 30 centimeters from the camera. Now the visitor's face is at the right location. An image is taken, sending image to server. And now the web page is ready to use. You can see it is running on HTTP 0.0.0.0 5000. So we can go to this URL. Now we went to email, and the email is already here. Click it. So here you can saw the visitor's image, and please go to this link. Now we can see this web page. I open it up. Smart Receptionist with Smartlock system, and it has an unlock button and a keep lock button. So now let's press the unlock button. The servo turns, the buzzer rings, and the green light blinks. The LCD also tells the visitor, welcome. The web page returns you that the door is successfully unlocked. Now let's press the keep locked button. It plays access denied tune, and the red light blinks. The LCD also tells the visitor access denied. The web page returns you that the door is successfully keep locked, and the servo also doesn't move at all.